Welcome to today's video. We're diving into how to start a group video call on Gmail from your PC using the latest features. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Sign into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're in Gmail, look at the top right of the page for a grid of 9 dots. This is Google Apps. Click on it to bring up a menu. From here, find and click on Meet. This is where the magic begins. Now, click on the Create Group Link option. You'll have the opportunity to name your group, making it easier to identify later. Next to the group name, you'll see an Edit button. Click on that, enter your desired name, and then hit Save. After that, it's time to add your contacts. Click on Add People, and select the contacts you want to invite to your call. You can easily find them from your saved contacts in Gmail. Finally, look to the top right corner and click Add. Once you've selected everyone you want to include, click on Start Call. And that's it. You're now in a group video call with your selected contacts. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and updates. Happy calling.